Guys, today we're going to make potato fufu. I have another version on my channel, but a lot of people have been telling me, can you make it another way? Is there any other way to make this? I don't have mortar and pestle. Flo, help me, help me. Yeah. So I'm just about to make potato fufu using Irish potatoes. Let's go. Let me show you another way to make it if you don't have mortar and pestle. These are medium-sized potatoes. Look at my hand so that you can, gauge how big they are. This is for me and my husband, and I'm going to use oats. Irish potatoes have a kind of, would I say, soft starch. Somebody that is well versed in this, can you help explain it in the comments for me? I don't know this one, but I know that these Irish potatoes have very mild starch. It cannot come together enough for you to mold it like we mold our fufu, So you need a binder, a kind of binder. Any food item with a much better kind of starch will do the job. This time I'm using oat flour. When you make oat flour, you find that it makes very good moldable dough. Yeah, so you can use it to make this one more moldable. If not, it will be like maybe a little bit thicker than what do you call it, mashed potatoes. Yeah, it's not good for molding when you want to eat fufu. So you can also use all-purpose flour. You can use semolina flour. You can use corn flour, cassava flour. Yeah, a little bit. If you have a little bit in your home, you can add it to this to help bind it. So the first thing you need to do is to peel the potatoes. And rinse it. Grate it. You can also chop it, but I find that my blender does a better job when I grate it. So I'm going to grate it. Look at that. Here in Spain, we have potato flour. I think we have a little bit left here. But some people say that they are allergic to it, so that's why I'm using this. If not, there's a flour in the shops here, very common, that you can use to make. Some people mix it with semolina, now that we can buy semolina here. But before, we couldn't buy semolina here. So we were mixing it with plain flour, that's all-purpose flour. If I start to talk, the things when we have eaten here, the things we have eaten here. Because when we live in Spain, there are not a lot of Nigerians here. It's like another country. While in some parts of Spain, you can buy Nigerian food ingredients easily. Add just a little water to help the glaze of the blender move. Did you observe all the tricks that I used to blend this? That is how you can blend it, so you don't add a lot of water. Yeah, you start with a little bit, because if I had put the whole potato that I grated, it would have been about here, and the funnel would not have been able to make all of them blend, and then it would have been necessary for me to add more water. But start small, add a little bit of water, and once that one blends, that one will form the liquid for the next blending. That's why I was adding it slowly. And when I started adding this, remember it's a dry ingredient, so it's going to be difficult for the blades to, you know, whip it like it was whipping wet ingredients. So you need to add a little bit, stop it. You know, when you stop and start a blender, it will create the funnel again because of the initial ignition. Now we're learning how to drive. Anyway, yeah, let's get to the next stage. You pour it in a pot. Okay. And you start making it. The heat is on low or medium. Yeah. The heating capacity of my cooker is up to 6 and it's on 4, so medium, I would say. I left it alone for a while. And now lumps are forming. Ooh. Madre. That's why I prefer the mortar and pestle one, because this one, I don't have energy to be stirring, jimming, to be jimming. This one is real jimming. That's how you be turning it while it solidifies. Akamo. Akamo. Madre. Madre mia. Madre mia. Person wey no get energy no fit make this style. No fit make this style. Come see, open the door for your daddy. Okay. Baby, you're going to be a semi here. I can't have that. I need YouTube and easy. I poured out the water because if I mix it with it, it will be too soft. Very soft. Here it is. It's soft, but it's not sticky. It's moldable. Yeah, it's softer than the other version because of the blending. I had to add some water, but the other one, you just boil it and pound it together without, adding any more water than necessary. So yeah, but it's nice. I'm serving it with this special obodo oyibo soup. So many different kinds of soup that we formulate in this obodo oyibo. Hi, I've done my part. Have you done your part? Have you liked this video yet? Have you? Bye bye. See you.